talk about the effects of factory waste on our ecosystem. Different types of factory waste. Chemical waste. For example, dangerous chemicals and chemical residues released into the seas and the oceans. Solid waste. For example, papers, plastics, cardboards. Toxic waste. The byproducts of factories. Now let us first talk about air pollution due to factories. Factories release hazardous gases which are very harmful for the ecosystem. They can cause various respiratory disorders in humans. Now we will talk about water pollution due to factories. Pollutants from factories can cause various diseases to aquatic life. Groundwater is polluted when pollutants enter into it. And factory contamination can also kill aquatic life. So how can we conserve our ecosystem from factories? Turning off lights, fans, etc. and using energy in a sustainable way can help. The workers should use public transport or cycles. Go green, don't waste paper. Improving machinery so that waste emission is minimized.